School today face increasing environmental and economic challenge. To protect our future, many schools are beginning to apply sustainable concept in their daily operation. A sustainable school use resources like electricity and water responsibly, reduce waste and encourage students to build positive habits. It creates a clean, healthy and cost-efficient environment that benefits both education and the planet. However, many schools still struggle with issues such as resource waste, low awareness about sustainability, and daily habits like forgetting to switch off lights or improper waste disposal. This problem makes sustainability difficult to maintain. To address this issue, schools around the world implement sustainable strategies, retrofitting old buildings, installing solar system, using water-saving technologies, and involving the community through environmental activities. To understand how those concepts work in real life, we interviewed a teacher about sustainability practice used in her school.
Soalan pertama, cikgu boleh perkenalkan nama dan sekolah mana?
Okey, saya Hayati Binti Osman, mengajar di Sekolah Kebahasaan Sri Mega, Kuala Lumpur.
Dah berapa lama mengajar?
Mengajar di sekolah tersebut dalam 12 tahun.
Okay.
Dan mengajar selama 30 tahun. Banyak. Salah satunya kita semula tanaman tumbuh-tumbuhan sendiri. Instead of beli pokok tu, kami tanam sendiri tumbuhan-tumbuhan tersebut.
Okey.
Dan itu antaranya lah. Biasanya murid yang jalankan dengan panduan guru-guru. Murid yang aktiviti tersebut dan dengan bimbingan guru lah. Sangat banyak. Pertama, murid belajarlah cara tanam sendiri tumbuh-tumbuhan tu, pokok sendirilah. Yang kedua, of course lah, mereka tanam sendiri, biarkan mereka jaga tumbuh-tumbuhan tersebut dengan baik. Tak perlukan harapkan tukang kebun. Mereka yang letakkan baja sendiri, mereka siram sendiri. Yang ketiga, of course, enjoy dan tahu selok-belok cara tanam tumbuhan sendiri. Cabaran dia baca cukup sebab murid-murid kebanyakan ni murid bawa sendiri tumbuhan sendiri, anak tumbuhan sendiri. Yang cabarannya masa cuti sekolah ataupun weekend. Tak ada siapa nak siram pokok mereka tu dan kadang-kadang kelayuan, cuti yang panjang maybe memang tak ni lah. Kalau berkaitan dengan elektrik, kita sebelum pergi tinggalkan kelas, tutup kipas, tutup lampu. Dan kalau sampah-sampah tu pastikan sampah dibuang di tong sampah, bukan bawah meja.
Okey. Itu je cikgu. Terima kasih.
Okey, sama-sama. Assalamualaikum.
Sustainable strategies may require effort and cost, but the long-term benefits are significant. Schools enjoy lower electricity and water bills, improve air quality, and a healthier and more comfortable learning environment for students and teachers. With teamwork and continuous commitment, every school can become a model of sustainability and inspire the next generation to care for the environment. Let's commit to building a sustainable future now.